नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटियाओं। JVN Professor Manju Sharma. Program name AMED first name. Subject name Methodology of Educational Research. Module name Scientific Method. The Principle of Evidence. Main search for knowledge. Main search for knowledge. Authority, tradition, experience, deductive reasoning, inductive reasoning, scientific method, overall are included in scientific research. Experience, confronted with a problem, man often confronted with a problem, man often tries to seek its answers from his or tries to seek its answer from his or others' personal experiences. Others' personal experiences, limitations. The person may omit evidence they do not agree with. The person may omit evidence that do not agree with his or her work, may use measuring instruments that require, many may use measuring instruments that require many subjective estimates. Establish a brief on insufficient evidence, established a belief on insufficient evidence, fails to observe significant factors, draws improper conclusions owing to person draws improper conclusion owing to personal prejudices. Scientific method. Scientific method. The scientific method is attributes to the scientific methods. Charles Darwin, it integrates the most important integrates aspects of deductive and inductive aspects of deductive and inductive methods. Steps in scientific methods. Steps in scientific method, identification and definition of identification and definition of the problem. The problem, formulation of a hypothesis, formulation of hypothesis, implementation of hypothesis through deductive reasoning, collection and analysis of collection, and analysis of evidence, evidence verification, acceptance, rejection, or modification of three rejection, the modification of other. Research may be defined as the research, the systematic and objective. Analysis, systematic and objective, controlled recording that may lead to observations. That development of generalizations, principles, or theories resulting in prediction theories, ultimate control of and possibly ultimate control of events. Best scientific research is a systematic, controlled, empirical, and critical control. Investigation of hypothetical proposition, investigations of hypothetical propositions about the presumed relations among that the presumed relations among natural phenomena. Research. Research is very important for each learner, each student, teacher. Research is an inquiry process that has research clearly defined parameters and has it's clearly defined. Theory building, testing knowledge, testing conformation, revision of conformation, refusion of knowledge and theory, investigation of problems, local investigation of a problem for local decision making, secure and hassle making. Harrison. Research is an objective research. An objective, empirical and logic portal, empirical and logical analysis and recording of analysis, controlled observation, main controlled observations that may lead to the development generalizations, principles, organizations, principle or theories, resulting to some extent in prediction and control time. Reduction of control of events that may believe events that may be consequences of cases of causes of specific phenomena. Research process. Research selection process selection of broad research problem and selection of broad research problem and defining it. Formulation of research questions, formulation of research questions. Hypothesis. Selection of research method, design selection of research method, design, sample, tool, techniques. Overall are process in formulation of research. Tools and techniques, field work, data collection, analysis and interpretation of data analysis, and drawing conclusions, report the result reporting. Research process, selection of characteristics of research. Research is directed towards the solution of research, is directed solution of a problem. Research emphasizes the development of research, emphasizes the development of general realizations. Principle of theories that will begin realism. Principle of theories that will be helpful in predicting future occurrence, helpful in predicting future occurrence. Research is based upon observable experience or research based upon observable. Research involved gathering new data from research. Research characterized by carefully designed research is characterized by carefully procedure. Research inquiries, expertise research. Research tries to be object, research tries to be involve the quest for research, the quest for answers to unsolved problem, answer to unsolved. Research characterized by patent, research in characterized by research is a carefully recorded and research is carefully reported. Research sometimes requires courage. Need for research. Need research in education. Through research we can be done the basic props. Through research we can be done knowledge, different aspects of education, of knowledge in different aspect of education. Research helps us to gain knowledge about art. Research helps us to gain knowledge about its science and arts. Aspect is science and art. Research helps us to gain true knowledge in a research. Helps us to gain true knowledge in a faster but accurate manner. Faster but accurate manner. Thank you.